Hello, friends, and welcome back to BudgetIQ. Today, we are diving into something that quietly sabotages our finances and our stress levels: financial clutter. We're going to take that tangled mess of accounts and subscriptions and turn it into pure clarity and control. Let's dive right in.
So what's with this number on the screen? $204. That, my friends, is how much the average American just throws away every single year on subscriptions they're not even using. It's money that literally evaporates from your bank account for things you totally forgot you even signed up for.
And look, this isn't just about the cash, right? Financial clutter has a very real, very physical effect on you. All that mess, it actually overloads your brain, it jacks up your stress hormones, and it creates this constant low-level hum of anxiety in the background. It literally makes it harder to think clearly.
So, here's our game plan. We're going to work our way through 5 concentric circles of control. We'll start with the easy wins you can tackle today, the things that impact your daily life, and then we're going to expand outwards to lock down your big picture financial legacy. First up, that inner circle.
All right, first up, our first and most immediate circle of control. We're going hunting for those sneaky, unwanted subscription charges that are just munching away at your budget month after month.
We gotta call them what they are: zombie subscriptions. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That free trial for a meditation app you used once, that streaming service you signed up for just to watch one show, they just keep coming back from the dead, every single month, to take a bite out of your wallet.
So, how do you fight the zombies? Well, you've got 2 main weapons in your arsenal. You can go old school with the manual method, get out a spreadsheet, set calendar reminders, become a financial detective. Or, you can call in the cavalry with the automated method. Apps like Rocket Money or Trim are like having a personal zombie hunter for your finances. They sniff out everything and help you cancel them, sometimes with just a single tap. So, choose your weapon. Okay, circle 1 is down. Now let's expand the perimeter. We're moving from those little monthly leaks to the very foundation of your financial house, your bank accounts and your retirement funds.
You know how it is, right? A checking account here, an old savings account there, it's a mess. Consolidating is a game changer, but you got to do it right. Just follow this 4-step switch kit strategy. And step 2, man, this is the one everyone messes up. You have to look back at a full 12 months of statements. Why? Because that's how you spot that annual Amazon Prime renewal or the car insurance payment that only comes out once a year. And what about those old 401ks from jobs you left years ago? These little orphaned accounts are a huge source of clutter. Now, you've basically got 4 options here. You can leave it, roll it over to an IRA, or move it to your new company's plan. But that last option, cashing out? Oh man. See that big warning sign? It is there for a reason. You will get absolutely crushed by taxes and penalties. It's like setting a huge pile of your own retirement money on fire. Just don't do it.
Okay, let's just take a breath. Are you feeling this? That little spark of clarity of knowing you can get this stuff back under control? If this explainer is helping you out, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really does help the channel, and honestly, it just lets me know this is the kind of stuff you want to see. And hey, if you haven't already, hit subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of the community.
All right, let's keep it rolling. Our next circle of control takes us into the invisible world, the clutter you can't see, but trust me, can cause some of the biggest problems: your digital financial life.
Let's be super clear here. This isn't just about being messy online. It's a massive flashing red light for your security. Think about it. Every old, forgotten account where you reused a password, it's like leaving the back door of your house wide open for identity thieves. That's why a password manager it's not a nice to have. It's absolutely non-negotiable.
But here's where digital decluttering gets really powerful. You can set up what's called a break glass protocol for the ultimate emergency. And the best part is, the big tech companies have already built the tools for you. You can go into your Apple or Google settings right now and designate someone who can get access if something happens to you. Password managers have this too. This is about protecting your family from a logistical nightmare during an already awful time.
And okay, a quick but really important heads up, guys. Everything we talk about here is meant to get you thinking, to educate you. But when we start getting into the legal and estate planning stuff, which is up next, you have to talk to a professional. Your situation is unique. You need advice that's tailored just for you from a qualified financial or legal expert. Please do not skip that step.
All right, we've made it, the final circle. This is the big one, the ultimate declutter. And get ready, because we are about to blow up one of the single most dangerous myths in all of personal finance.
So let me ask you a direct question. What document, what single piece of paper controls where your money goes after you pass away? I bet 99% of you are thinking, my will, obviously. Well, let's see about that.
So in this corner, you've got the heavyweight champion everyone knows and talks about, your will. It handles your house, your car, the stuff that has to go through that whole court process called probate. And in the other corner, we have this quiet, unassuming document, the beneficiary form. It's that little piece of paper you probably filled out in 2 minutes and forgot about. So, which one packs a bigger punch?
And here it is, the knockout. For the vast majority of your financial assets, your 401k, your IRA, your life insurance, the beneficiary form wins every single time. Let me say that again because it's so important. A beneficiary form is a legal contract that overrides your will. If your will says give everything to my kids, but that form from 10 years ago still names your ex-spouse, guess who gets the money? Your ex-spouse. The will is powerless.
And if you think I'm just being dramatic, this isn't just theory. This went all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. In the case Egelhoff versus Egelhoff, this exact thing happened. A man got divorced, wrote a new will, leaving everything to his kids, but forgot to change the beneficiary form on his pension. The court ruled that the ex-wife got the money. Why? Because the contract is king. It is a completely tragic and completely avoidable mistake.
Whoa, okay. We have covered a ton of ground, from zombie subscriptions all the way to Supreme Court cases. So now, let's bring it all home. Let's build your simple, powerful action plan to take you from that feeling of being overwhelmed to a feeling of total control.
This is it, your decluttering checklist, your immediate to-do list. You start with the quick wins, kill those subscriptions, then consolidate your bank accounts with that 4-step plan, and make a decision about those old 401ks. Next, you build your digital fortress, password manager, break glass contacts. And finally, the most important step on this entire list, go find and update every single one of your beneficiary forms. That, my friends, is your direct path to true financial peace of mind.
So I'll leave you with this question. Don't look at that whole list and get overwhelmed. Just pick one thing. If you could take just one step this week to declutter your finances and feel more in control, what would it be? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Taking the time to get your financial house in order is honestly one of the best gifts you can give to yourself and to your family. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more explainers just like this one. It helps the channel grow more than you know. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.